Hello children, welcome to the class. Now today we are going to read about reported speech. The act of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. There are two ways of reporting what somebody said. The reporting of the words of the speaker without making any changes to it, that is reproducing the exact words. Reporting their actual words in a quotation. Or the act of reporting of the words of the speaker by making necessary changes to it. That is, express the speech in our own words. Reporting their words in the form of a narrative. The first way is called the direct speech and the second indirect speech. See the example here. Amit said, I'm really sorry for the mistake. Now, I'm really sorry for the mistake are the actual words of the speaker. Amit said that he was really sorry for the mistake. The same has been expressed in our own words, making necessary changes to it. In the direct speech, the words of the speaker are put within inverted commas, you can see here. And a comma is placed after the reporting clause. See the comma after Amit said to separate it from the reported speech. So a direct speech has two parts, reporting clause and the reported speech. The comma is placed after the reporting clause to separate it from the reported speech. The verb in the reporting clause is called the reporting verb. So, reporting verb. The direct speech is set off by inverted commas. Now, some basic rules of speech and converse. Direct speech. Put the words spoken by the speaker within double quotes. Separate the reporting verb from the reported speech by a comma. Begin the first word inside inverted comma with a capital letter. See the example here. The words spoken by the speaker within double quotes. The reporting verb has been separated from the reported speech by a comma. And then the first word inside the inverted comma begins with a capital letter. Now the indirect speech. Change the reporting verb according to the sense conveyed by the speech. Do not change the tense of the reporting verb. Remove the comma separating the reporting verb from the direct speech. Remove inverted commas. Introduce the direct speech by some connectors like that, if, whether, what, where, etc. Convert all kinds of sentences into assertive sentences. Make other necessary changes in person, verb forms, time, place, and expressions. Look at the example here. They said that they were going to the cinema. So, comma has been removed here. Inverted commas removed. And the indirect speech has been introduced by the connector that. And some other necessary changes have also been made here. So now children, we are going to see how to change direct speech into indirect speech. First, change in pronouns. The pronouns of the first person change into the person and gender of the subject of the reporting clause. So here look at the example. I said, this is your reporting clause. My friends are very helpful to me. This is a reported speech. So the first person here will change according to the subject of the reporting clause. So I said that my friends were very helpful to me. You said my friends are very helpful to me. You said is a reporting clause. My friends are very helpful to me. Reported speech. So here the first person will change according to the subject of the reporting clause. So it becomes you said that your friends were helpful to you. Next, he said my friends are very helpful to me. Reporting clauses, he said. So the first person here changes accordingly. He said that his friends were very helpful to him. Now the second person. The pronouns of the second person change into the person and gender of the object of the reporting clause. Mohit said to me. Me is the object of the reporting clause. Your teachers have praised you. So Mohit told me that my teachers have praised me. So it changes according to the object of the reporting clause. Mohit said to you, your teachers have praised you. Mohit told you that your teachers have praised you. Mohit said to her, third person, her, your teachers have praised you. So it becomes Mohit told her that her teachers had praised her. And the pronouns in the third person do not change. See the example here. The librarian said students must bring their identity cards to the library there. It remains unchanged even in the indirect speech. The librarian said that the students had to bring their identity cards to the library. See here, first person changes according to the subject of the reporting clause. Second person changes according to the object of the reporting clause. And third person, there's no change. How to change the tense we'll take up in the next class. Thank you.